down and say good afternoon to the teacher, okay? Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. 1, 2, 3 Okay, good afternoon, students. Take your seat. Sit down. Okay, so last time, if you remember, we talked about herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Would you mind? Herbivores eat alive. Eat plants. ใช่ไหม Eat plants. Plants แปลว่าอะไร Plants only plants. Plants แปลว่าอะไร Eat แปลว่าอะไร Okay. Keep plants แปลว่าอะไร Okay. Very good. So that is herbivores. Eat plants. And then we have carnivores. Carnivores eat another animals or meat. Okay, right? So another animals, for example, we have tiger. Tiger eat lion. Child, we have lion. Lion eat another animals. Now we have omnivores. Okay, omnivores eat plants and meat or animals. Okay, plants, meat, or another animals. Now, can you raise your hand? Give me example of herbivores. Eat plants. Okay, stand up.